create a new image, go to File, New. The width is 500 and the height is 500. Click on Create. Select the Type tool. The font I'm using is Anton. The size is 90 and the color is black. And now left click and then type your text. Select the Move tool and then center the text layer. And now I'm going to show you two ways. The first one is using the brush and the second one is using the patterns. So now hide the background layer, go to Edit, Define New, and then select Brush. Select the image, add a new layer, click on this icon, select the brush tool, left click and then just scroll down, you'll find your brush. Change the foreground color to white, press OK. So you can still decrease the opacity. So this is the first method. I'm going to hide this layer. And now let's go back to our watermark image. And now since I want the watermark with the white color, so I'm just going to select the type tool, change the color to white. Press OK. And now go to Edit, Define New, and this time select Pattern. Now let's go back to our image. And now I'm going to add a new adjustment layer. Click on this icon and then select Pattern Fill. Left click on the pattern and then select the watermark. And now here you can use these settings here to control how the watermark is going to look. So this is the scale. And here you can also, for example, change the direction, the angle. And now I can still decrease the opacity as before.